Hello everyone, I'll be making my red bell pepper chicken saffron recipe today. I have my mom visiting me today, so she's the one that's cooking. These are her hands. This is a very nice recipe. It has saffron, it has red bell peppers, it has paprika spice. It's quite mild. You can make it spicy if you want. So that's quite versatile. I mean, we add quite a bit of garlic and ginger, but it's to your preference. I mean, you can add as much or as little as you like, or you can even completely omit ginger if you don't like that. So, or even the garlic. I mean, it's really up to you. We do like to add quite a bit of oil as well, olive oil. It's up to you. You can use a bit more, a little bit less. It's quite diverse here. Onions, again, we like to add a lot only because it gives more of a gravy. And we like it quite juicy. So it goes well with rice and it goes well with just even bread. It's similar. I mean, the texture is kind of similar to butter chicken, but not really. It's the closest thing I can think of. But it doesn't have any of the same flavors. It's a completely different flavor profile. And I think you'll like it. It doesn't have any tomatoes, so all the flavor really comes from red bell peppers. And the more you cook it down, the sweeter it gets, and the better the flavor gets. I mean, you can always roast the bell peppers too. It's really up to you. And as I said earlier, it's quite diverse, so whatever you prefer, just give it a try, and I'm pretty sure you'll like it. If you love red bell peppers and you love chicken, you will for sure love this recipe, so give it a try and let me know how you like it.
Just from the fire or desire, but it's fading from the sight. Well, please find a way. Well, I say today, moon it finally shines, then you rewind, and you find. Sun is on the rise, it's in disguise, but it don't lie, and I almost see the light, just from the fire, or desire, but it's fading from the sight. Well, please find a way, I say today. Finds a way, sometimes to stay, hey. But I almost see the light, just from the fire, or desire, but it's fading from the sight. Please find a way, well, I say today. Nearly